In this video, I will show you how to remove Authenticator from your Steam account. To do that, go to store.steampower.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile name, then click on account details, then scroll down and under account security, select manage Steam Guard, then click on remove Authenticator. Then you can choose among these options. Here I am using the first one. Now go to your Steam Authenticator app, then click on this gear icon, then click on Remove Authenticator. So once you're confirmed, click on Remove Authenticator and click Remove option. Now it will say that your authenticator is successfully removed. So that's how you can remove authenticator from Steam. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.